The offerings that go out every day are served on these little palm leaf dishes, and Jin just loves ripping them to shreds.
Lock me up in your hands and never abandon me again. Been calling out your name in the
There's a huge construction site not that far down the valley we live in, and they're pillar driving at the moment. It's driving me insane. Every 5 minutes. I can't stand it anymore. I'm gonna go find somewhere else to work.
Oh, hi! Are you coming with me?
Okay, deal.
What?
What's that? Go on, 7.
Good
Good girl.
That's
That's not how it works. I'm going to be throwing away that script that I was working on the other day. It just wasn't good enough. So this afternoon, I'm writing a new script up.
If I was a slave, if I was a slave.
She wants to know. She's like, hey, that little girl. Looks like it's going to start raining, so I'm going to bail. That's it for today. See you soon.